Welcome back to Gear Up Windows YouTube channel. In this video, we will guide you on how to enable or disable notifications in Opera browser on Windows 11 or 10 PC. For this, first open Opera browser on your Windows PC, then click on this one menu icon in the left corner and select settings in the drop down menu. Under Opera settings, select this one privacy and security option in the left sidebar. On the right, under privacy and security, click on site settings option. Scroll up to this one permissions section and click on this one notifications option. Under default behavior, you will find that by default, Opera uses sites can ask to send notifications, and in case you want to disable this one feature, just select this one third option. Don't allow sites to send notifications. This will block notifications and this will allow notifications on your Opera browser on Windows PC.